Well, good evening, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down behind the wheel doing an action drive of Tesla's 11.4.7 full self-driving software. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. Tonight's destination, pizza. My highlighters for tonight's chapter reading are rattling. Or is that the dash? Hang on. No, it was the dash. This version of the software has been a little squirrely, so my full plan is to disengage and make the left up here, let it drive through the roundabout, disengage on the other side of the roundabout, put it into the correct left turn lane, and then let it make the left again. So I'm going to make this one human pilot here, and human pilot, re-engage FSD, perfect. So this is all FSD. Now earlier what it was doing, yep, oh God, yep, nope. All right, manual driving. I'll show you guys how to drive a roundabout. It's not really hard. Driving a roundabout here is really easy. You come up to it nice and firmly, you slow in, you accelerate through, you go like this, and you go like this. It's really not that hard. And then what you do here is you make a left, just like this. Very, very easy. Now I'm going to manually make this left because earlier what it was doing was driving through that debris right there in the middle of the road. And I don't want it to do that. So I refuse to have it do that. Okay. I talked about this earlier on one of my other videos. The beta has its very predictable maneuvers where it does stuff like this, where it selects an incorrect exit, and you kind of get used to it. But then it does things where it's very unpredictable and you just want to kind of take over. So like for instance, that whole section there, you know, in some versions it's been okay, but in 11.4.7, not so much. 11.4.4, in my personal opinion, I thought was better. Regardless, I say this every time. I try to let the drive do the talking as much as I can. Sometimes I get opinionated too much. Otherwise, we get pretty scenery, and ultimately, I don't really watch these unedited drives. I do these for doggone sci-fi likes the unedited drives. I like the music drives. But I do have to do the unedited drives to get the music drives. Oh, mother of God. No, 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 no. We talked about this before we actually got on this drive. We said to each other, we said, you're going to take the route that I... If you hear me screaming at my car right now, the reason I'm screaming at it is because the navigation changed based off of the route that I wanted to go. In other words, I said we would take the highway the whole way there and have a nice, beautiful highway scene. But did it? Oh God, no. No. The navigation updated and said, oh, I'll get you there 30 seconds faster. It's been a difficult last couple of days as a Tesla owner. Sorry. Bitching complete. For the record, I did actually have the navigation correct before I left. So I knew the route I was going to take, but it just updated when we got on the road, apparently. Don't know why. Mind of its own. Be the nice guy and go around him at so it's just a little bit quicker. There. I give it an 80% chance that once we get off the exit tonight, I'll probably have to disengage into that roundabout. It's absolutely terrifying how fast it goes into it. And I'm going to get cut off by the truck. Lovely. We'll wait. All right, here we go. So it usually doesn't start slowing down right here, but it is slowing down today. And then it really needs to slow down here, but there's no traffic coming, so it could theoretically just go straight through it, which is fine. But typically it just blasts into it like this and then slams on the brakes. Okay, I haven't done anything. It's actually doing all this. And a successful roundabout. Wow, my 80% was a little off base. But do you see all the traffic coming from the opposite direction? All of that usually is what you have to compete with to get into that roundabout. So, success. Oh, no, you don't have to stop. Go, 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 go. You have this lane. This is your lane. Jesus. It's been hesitant there before on prior builds, so I'm not super surprised why it's hesitant there tonight. And we're gonna make a left. Which lane are you gonna pick? This works. Made me a little nervous. Okay, go. Should take me into the parking lot. Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm. I'm Gray Shot Down, behind the wheel doing an action drive tonight, and thanks for tuning in. Bye.